not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God. Not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. Send your spirit, God. The song, you are a God, we are a people, you are the light, we stand in awe, we stand in awe of you, yeah, we stand in awe. Not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. See your spirit, God. Not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. See your spirit, God. Alright guys, so that's kind of a breakdown of the song. So I'm going to teach you the song. I was playing the key of C. Normally the song is in I think G sharp, but I played it in C. Okay, so I'm going to give the intro of the song. The intro of the song takes the chord progression of the song as well. So it's a very simple one. Okay, all right, the intro of the song, it's a 1. Okay, 1, that's C major. We go to 6, A minor, right? All right, then 5, right, G major. You go to 3, A minor, 3, E minor rather. Okay, if notice I was using the inversions or variations. Okay, so I was doing, this is C inversion, second inversion. All right, so I omitted this. Okay, I omitted the third. All right, or let me say the fifth, because the second inversions comes with this. All right, so alright, not by might. Alright, then A minor inversion, second inversion. This is A minor, second inversion. Alright, second inversion. Alright, this is G, second inversion, right? C, G, B, alright? Then 3, second inversion, alright? Of A, E minor, B, E, and G, alright? So that's the intro of the song, guys. Not by might, 6, 5, 3, okay, not by might, not by power, by your spirit, God. See your spirit. Right, so it continues like that. Then you end with something. Right, so this one is on the 5th. So it's G major. G major with your left, alright? Then re do, re do, re do, re do, re do, re, re do, re, re do, re, re do, re, re do, re. Alright, so alright, re mi fa, re mi fa, re mi fa, re mi fa. Then you go to the 2, your left, broken chord. Alright, the 1. Alright. Mire. Alright. Then go back to 5. Alright. So I play it all. 5, fa and re. Alright. Go to 1. 5. Alright guys, the chord progression of the song, so that is the verse of the song. Alright, let me give it. We have 1. Alright, we have 5. We have 4. Okay, then we come back to 1. Okay, so you are the fire, we are the temple. You remain there. You are the voice, we are 4. We are the song. You are a God. 5. We are your people. Remain on 5. You are the light, we stand in awe. Alright, then I did something. Alright, why you remain on the 4? So long we stand. Alright, so this time around you come to the 6. Okay, instead of going to 1. Alright, we sing, we stand in awe. You go back to 5. You 5. Again. We sing 5. The song goes again. Not by might, 6, 5. Spirit got 3. Alright, so guys, I hope you learned something. Do wait to subscribe to my channel for more videos. God bless you all.